Welcome to this in-depth review of HealthTap, an innovative telehealth platform that allows users to connect with real doctors for medical consultations, personalized advice, and quick answers to health questions. In this video, I'll walk you through everything the platform has to offer, from its core features to the user experience, so you can decide if HealthTap is the right choice for your healthcare needs. The homepage of HealthTap is clean and intuitive, with a primary focus on helping you connect with doctors or accessing AI-based health tools. You can start by creating an account, which is a straightforward process. Once logged in, the dashboard presents various options, such as scheduling a live consultation, browsing previously answered questions, or exploring health topics tailored to your needs. The live consultation feature is the standout element, allowing users to connect with licensed physicians via video call. It's worth noting that consultations are typically available 24/7, making this platform a convenient option for non-emergency medical concerns. HealthTap also offers an AI-based symptom checker, which is designed to provide quick guidance by asking a series of targeted questions about your symptoms. While this tool can be helpful, it's always advised to consult a real doctor for accurate diagnoses. For ongoing conditions, HealthTap has a subscription model that provides unlimited access to doctor consultations, which could be cost-effective for frequent users. The platform also features a comprehensive library of health information, which includes articles and answers from real doctors. This resource can be useful if you're seeking general health advice or want to educate yourself about a specific condition. However, some users have reported that the quality of responses can vary depending on the doctor, and live consultations sometimes feel rushed. Another point to consider is pricing. HealthTap offers a free tier for general questions and limited features, but premium plans are required for one-on-one consultations or more personalized services. While the cost is relatively competitive, it might not be the most affordable telehealth option out there, depending on your needs and frequency of use. Overall, HealthTap excels in accessibility and ease of use. The mobile app is particularly user-friendly, allowing you to consult with doctors or access the platform's tools on the go. It's clear that the developers prioritize creating a seamless experience for users. However, like any service, it's not without drawbacks, such as occasional variability in response quality and the need for a subscription to unlock its full potential. If you've been searching for a platform that combines telemedicine convenience with a wide range of features, HealthTap is certainly worth considering. Whether you're looking for a quick health question answered or ongoing medical support, HealthTap offers a robust solution that adapts to your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to support more honest reviews like this one.